Welcome to the world of innovation. Today we're diving into the remarkable journey of Guangdong Tecsun Technology Innovation Development Co., Limited, a trailblazer in the vacuum coating industry since 1996. Tecsun has evolved into a national high-tech enterprise dedicated to pushing the boundaries of technology. Their expertise, developing and selling cutting-edge vacuum coating machines that are revolutionizing various industries. Tecsun has garnered numerous accolades, including the National Excellent Product of First Class Product and Innovation Awards from the China Association of Inventions. Their machines are not just recognized, they are celebrated. At Tecsun, we're not just building machines, we're creating solutions that meet the demands of tomorrow's technology. Quality is our top priority. Our robust quality management system ensures that every component meets the highest standards. We conduct thorough raw material inspections and adhere to strict process standards to guarantee excellence in every product. But it's not just about the machines. Tecsun's dedicated team of experts is constantly researching and developing new technologies, ensuring they stay ahead in a rapidly changing market. With real-time monitoring, we keep a close eye on our production processes, ensuring efficiency and precision at every step. Our commitment to on-time delivery means you can count on us to meet your project deadlines. Customer support is at the heart of what we do. Our dedicated team is always ready to assist you, whether it's through our feedback channels or regular return visits to ensure your satisfaction. Need technical assistance? Our experts are just a call away, providing you with the support you need to keep your operations running smoothly. And with our logistics tracking system, you'll always know where your order is, giving you peace of mind from the moment you place your order to the moment it arrives. At Tecsun, we believe in continuous improvement. Our innovative research and development team is constantly exploring new technologies to enhance our products and services.